Okay, I have to dance for this song. Now we're gonna see me in my natural state.
Shawty, I'll be on my way to sorry. Think that we can change this party.
Oh, you see?
I ain't even playing, shawty. I'll be on my way to sorry. Think that we could change this party. Oh, get your tickets, cause these niggas want some niggas for sure. I'll be on my way to sorry. Think that we could change this party. Oh, Lucy, I ain't even playing, shawty. I'll be on my way to sorry. Think that we could change this party. Oh, Lucy.
Okay guys, that was a song that is officially one of my favorite songs. Link is in the description to the Spotify link. Go check it out. Honey, this wig is you guys already saw that my poster fell down. No yawa. This synthetic wig is not meant for the summertime. Maybe during the winter I'm gonna rock this wig, but the summer. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new. Thank you for clicking this video. I'm sure you're thinking, honey, this wig is too sexy. I need to grab myself a wig like this. Do it. This was the best decision of 2020, I'm telling you. Okay, no, the first best decision was buying roller skates. Anyways, so yes guys, today I'm gonna be reviewing this wig. I've had it for a while, I can't lie. That's why the waves are less wavy than they were when I first bought it. But I will give you guys a few videos of when I actually bought it and when I unpackaged it and what it looked like. What's up guys? We in quarantine or whatever. Shit is getting real. Shit is real. Anyway, so obviously I've been slightly bored, so I decided to buy myself a wig off Amazon. Okay, so came with a wig cap, kind of light for my complexion, but whatever. Oh, look, that's cute. Happy hair, happy life. Okay, I like the color. I like the color. Oh, it's long. Guys, this isn't bad, you know. It's a fractal, I'm assuming. It doesn't look too bad, you know. Guys, I'm excited. I'm excited. Okay, we're gonna try this on. Okay, so guys, someone play I'm a Savage. Ooh, classic bougie ratchet. This is, ooh, I'm feeling all kinds of diva. Ooh, let me find some lighting because this hair, been that bitch, still that bitch, will forever be that bitch. Okay, it looks weird with the lace on, but I don't have what's it called, like proper sharp scissors right now, but I will get it and I will finish up this wig, like cut the lace, and then I'm gonna get back to you with the final look. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, this is what it looks like up close. There's a clip here and two clips on the side. I never really use the clips because they hurt my head and I feel like they're just gonna rip off my hair. And there are these thingies which are actually supposed to be here. I find it, I don't know, better when it's just clipped together like this, because it just, I feel more secure like that. I probably shouldn't do that because my wig is gonna come off one day, but who cares? Yeah, it feels, obviously it feels synthetic, but it's less synthetic-ish than it should feel, especially with the price I bought it at. The only thing is that it came with like a white, okay, not white per se, but like really light ivory cream color wig cap, but I already had a brown wig cap, so that's fine. But it just goes to show that this wig wasn't really made with black people in mind, because, you know, the stereotype that, oh, dark skinned girls or black girls shouldn't really wear or don't look nice in bright colors. Fuck that. Listen, if you're dark skinned and you're thinking of getting this wig but you're not sure, please buy it. You can slay regardless of your color. Fam, I know I'm light skinned and I'm saying this, but it doesn't matter. Like, regardless of your color, if you look cute, you look cute. If you want to buy a blonde wig, buy a blonde wig. Nothing should hold you back. Like, fuck the stereotype, fuck what people say, just do your thing, honey, do your thing. And it brushes really nicely. Okay, there are some snags, but still, like, it really, oh, when you brush, look at how it looks fresher than a daisy. I think I hate it when hair gets in my face. You can cut it, you can do what you want. I think this is honestly too long for me, so I feel like I'm gonna cut it when I learn how to cut hair. I tried to cut a wig today, it was a disaster. You can do a middle part, and look, the lace is like invisible, fam. I haven't put any concealer, I haven't put any. That's the one problem with synthetic wigs, the hairs go everywhere. But yeah, I haven't put any concealer, I haven't done anything. Yeah, you could do a side part as well, which is, oh, the side part though. Why have I never tried this? Look, oh my god. Guys, come on, can we just take a second to appreciate the transformative ability of this wig? It's like I just metamorphosized into a new person. Like, come on honey, like what? I'm sorry, I'm feeling myself just a bit too much. It's just because I haven't looked good in a long time. I've been looking bummy in quarantine, so today I said, you know what, I'm gonna do makeup. I'm gonna look good for you guys today because I'm close to 300 subscribers. Go grab yourself this wig and let's party, honey. Okay. This has been great. I'm glad I got to show you guys that I'm stepping out of my comfort zone from this point onwards. I hope you do too. I hope you have a great day. Stay blessed. Peace and love. Subscribe to the channel. If you made it this far, this is the behind the scenes, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. You gon' check me, I'm that Barbie looking hella fresh. Yeah, don't come at me with your stress unless you're depressed. I don't know what I'm saying. Go sign some petitions in my description box. You'll find Black Lives Matter subscriptions. I mean, go and sign the petitions. I don't know what I'm saying. I'm bored, guys. If you're still here, I love you. Subscribe to the channel. Join the kingdom. You know, I'm feeling fresh. I'm feeling confident in my new wig. I'm feeling good. I'm feeling good. Oops. I'm feeling good. And my post is falling down, but it don't matter. We are not falling down. We will rise. Black Lives Matter every day. We must protest for our rights, for the oppression of the black man is over now. The system sucks every day. People killing us. Jeez, man, I'm tired of this shit. It's bullshit. So I bought a pink wig to make myself feel happy, because there's so much depressive shit in the world, you know. Yeah, go buy this pink wig, make yourself feel better. Hey, hey, feel better, feel better, feel better, feel better, feel better, feel better, feel better. Yeah, that's it. Bye. Subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to the. You're not supposed to see that.